Of course, most of you saw the trendy chocolate with pistachio cream and kunafa. It seemed very delicious, but I'm trying to reduce the intake of sugar these days. So I'm experimenting this idea to make this recipe in a healthy way as much as I can, and also without using a mold. First, crush 1 cup of pistachio until it has a powdered texture. Mix it very well before adding other ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and half a cup of milk. After 2 minutes or so, the texture will look like this. This is without food coloring. It's very beautiful and delicious. Toast half a cup of Pakistani vermicelli with some butter. Of course, you can use the traditional kunafa in the traditional recipe, but I'm using it because it's faster and it's in a small quantity. We wait until it's cold, then we put it in the food processor. We mix only for a few seconds to combine the ingredients. For the chocolate layer, 50 grams of dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of milk. Put it on very low heat until the chocolate melts and distribute it over the pistachio layer. Decorate with some pistachios and put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. You have to eat it directly to enjoy the crunchy texture. But if you don't mind and you're not looking for a crunchy texture, you can leave it in the fridge. It was a very successful experiment and I will repeat it whenever I crave some pistachios with kunafa and chocolate. Try it and of course you will like it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.